Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. I'm the National Sales Manager for New Age. Today we're going to talk about our heavy duty, and I mean heavy, lug carts, tubs, and dollies. I want you to see how we manufacture. We use primary aluminum. That's what you're going to see on everything we have here. This aluminum is not recycled. We shoot over 4 million pounds a year. There's nobody else doing that. You can rest assured that New Age is the biggest and the best at what they do. When you look at their welds, you're going to know it. At New Age, we're really very proud of what we do. We build to last, and this product shows it. Between the heavy-duty tube frames and everything, our casters are bolted on, screwed on. We've got a plate caster underneath here. We've got your swivel casters with the anti-thread grips on the side. This is a version to show you what the straight caster looks like, the rigid. You can see what's available to you. We've also got an option if you want it, and we've got a cart over here that you can see has these. These are stainless steel wheels, stainless steel rig, stainless steel plate, stainless steel screws that mount them in. These are a great caster if you're looking for some durability and longevity. This cart right here, this little 2-high cart, it's got a bent tube on it. This is the shape that is made that we extrude exclusively to fit that cart. Nobody else can do that. I want you to be aware of what we put into the workmanship here, the quality of workmanship. So this is just a quick look at it. You can see the plate casters down here on the bottom. You can see the heavy 250-pound capacity wheels on there, the swivel and the rigid. This is a double, so you've got one there, you've got one here. You can go on ahead and stack it up like you normally would in a processing or a food environment. The other cart I'd like to show you, we have a double, this is a triple high, double wide cart here. The benefit of this is the same thing. You can go too wide. You do have that same D tube. Now you have that stainless steel wheel that we were just talking about with the rigid up front, the swivel in the back. They come in from the side. You can put them in that way or load them from either side of this cart. This is our 6-high capacity, heavy duty lug cart. We've got the slides, so all the tubs slide in and out, easy to get to, easy to load. You do have a separation between the totes of just a few inches, but you can still get product in there very simply. We have an extra bar on top, so that way you can store some extra tubs on there. These are the plate casters on the bottom that we talked about earlier. If you need to have anything built, let me know. The key is I just have a small sampling here of what we build in our heavy duty. This cart here is a heavy duty version 2, and this is a 10 lug cart capacity. You've got 2 on each layer for your totes. So you can see, and you have the same heavy duty bars. You have that same heavy duty D tube on here, and you can slide on and off. This will stop on the top, on the side. You can pull them out, whatever you want to do. But I want you to be aware of the quality, the workmanship that we put into our product. We're proud of what we make. We want you to know that. We want you to see it, feel it, touch it, and you'll understand why New Age is better than anybody else. Call us, go to our website, email newageindustrial.com. We'd love to hear from you and tell us what you need. We do a lot of customs. If you need something built to fit your needs, call me. I'll take care of it. Bob with newageindustrial.com. Thank you for your time.